last night my water heater broke and all the water came out everywhere. It was a mess. And then I called Mike and he came out and fixed it.
Replace the water heater.
Okay, so now Mike, now tell me what happened. So obviously she caught it in time, right? So that was a good thing on her part. She called you, which was the other smart thing, and then you told her what to do.
FaceTimed me. I told her to shut it off. Came out here, replaced the water heater. As I'm leaving, I'm obviously wiping everything down, and I noticed a T up here, which
Wasn't solid,
basically looked like, yes, you can see a little flux on one side, but I'm soldering it now. You can see it taken, but
I have the original picture. You see there's nothing. This was nothing on here at all.
So
it didn't look like this joint right here where it's soldered. It was just naked, whatever they call it. And there's nothing on there. So he just happened to get a grip on it because the pressure built up in the system. And is soldering that right now. So my point of this whole video is, that's how a contractor could have got a bad name. So we caught this in the beginning, right? My wife happened to be down here doing laundry, caught it, called the dude, told her exactly what to do. She did that. He came out today. He replaced the water heater, and it's a great job, as good as anybody else would do. But now what he said was, if that little bit of pressure hasn't backed up, and that little bit of water didn't drip on him, he would have noticed. He would have never noticed that.
And I would have took a hit for it.
And then, I don't know, maybe a day or a week or whenever that pressure started coming back, the whole basement would have flooded again, and we would have obviously thought it was the plumber's fault, the contractor's fault. Because if he came down here and said, look, I just replaced the water heater for you, right? I did a great job. That's not where the problem is. It's on this thing right here. Try explaining that to an angry homeowner who just had their basement flooded twice in a matter of a fucking week. You're going to be upset about it. So all I'm saying is get yourself somebody good who's honest and knows what they're doing, that can find shit like that for you, because I cannot stress to you how important that is. After the last, Nunn, Mike knows, because he was with me on this when we built this whole addition here, and I've run into 100 different things like that. So I just thought that was really important, and I wanted to let you know that's the number that you want to call right there. Hit the back real quick.
Yep.
Michael Nunn. Oh, turn her off for 1 second. So screenshot. 781-605-7176, and I'm Justin Parker. That's Najette Parker, and that's Prince Pizza, and that's the water heater story. Bye.